What makes the AI features and benefits at Go E1ULife unique and different? What's phenomenal about it is that this is not new technology, it's new technology for much of the world. The good news is that our team has been using this type of technology and software over the past few years. We can demonstrate it in many different ways. We have embarked upon many different industries, including insurance, nonprofits, churches, political campaigns, and even travel, real estate agents, and so much more. How can you benefit? That's a good question. Let's take a look and get a general idea of how this technology is used. One of the things that happens with this technology is that it's not just about using the term AI. Many people from many different industries are enthusiastic about AI, but what really matters is its usefulness to you. With Go E1ULife, we simplify what AI means for each individual who uses it. We combine real intelligence that assists you in teamwork and resourcefulness so you can do more with less. Here's what that looks like. For example, let's take a look at a political candidate running for office. With our technology, every time someone fills out a form on their website, our AI technology automatically calls them, thanks them for volunteering, and finds out what questions they have about the election, the candidate's plans, and their vision. But there are other areas where it's just as powerful. When someone makes a donation, the technology calls them, thanks them for their support, and asks how they'd like to get involved. It informs them of the latest updates, takes questions, and interacts intuitively, not as a robotic AI, but as an extension of the candidate. It helps them connect with volunteers and opportunities to participate in events. We took it even further. About a year and a half ago, we started working with churches. Churches have struggled with attendance and engagement, especially in the aftermath of COVID. With our technology, churches can increase online attendance and engagement. When someone wants to participate, register, or follow up after a visit, our technology ensures seamless interaction. We call this Church Flow. Our system provides engagement opportunities for church members and visitors. We didn't stop there. Different types of ministries can also benefit. If someone is applying, registering, or wants to know more about the next steps, churches can simply book a call. At Go E1ULife, we have been implementing these solutions under one of our subsidiaries for quite some time. Churches and ministries use this system to keep their members informed. When there's a snow day or a temporary closure, everyone receives a text message from the AI. And if they respond, they can interact with the system in real time. This technology is also used by nonprofits to raise funds through fundraisers. When people register to donate, they receive an automated thank you call. They also receive engagement through text bots, chat messaging, and live phone calls. One nonprofit using this system raised 6 figures in donations in 2024. Our technology also assists with grant writing and understanding the complexities of fundraising. Let's talk about real estate. Our real estate agents use this technology to provide market updates with just the click of a button. Clients can instantly learn about market trends, schedule appointments, and receive email updates, all while interacting with the AI. This is already happening in South Florida. Agents are making a fortune, especially in luxury real estate. And if you take a look, you'll see how this technology can work for your real estate business. We are not new at this. Some people in internet marketing are also using our technology. This is not something we're just making up. This is something that anyone can do. What we've done is make AI more accessible so that you can benefit just like our clients do. Many businesses need 24/7 engagement through social media. Our technology integrates seamlessly with Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok. The engagement capabilities are second to none. It doesn't stop at social media. Our AI also handles outbound and inbound calls, sales assistance, and follow-ups. You never have to lose another sale due to poor follow-up. Did you know that 89% of lost sales are due to poor follow-up? With our technology, you become more efficient. The solution isn't to replace people with technology. The answer is to plug people into areas where technology is weak and plug technology into areas where people are weak. People struggle with consistent follow-up. Technology struggles with human interaction, such as shaking hands, making eye contact, and building relationships. Rather than eliminating people, we improve efficiency by integrating technology where needed. That's exactly what we do at Go E1ULife. So, how will this work for you? We use the same strategies that we use for every client. The same technology is available for Go E1ULife subscribers, affiliates, and members. When someone purchases our technology, they receive a welcome and thank you call. If they have questions about how to use it, our AI will be able to answer and guide them through the process. It's also used for onboarding. We don't just onboard new employees, we use AI for onboarding new affiliates and customers who purchase our AI services. How else is this used? When someone opts into a lead page, they receive a personalized phone call. The AI introduces itself and asks, "What questions can I answer for you?" Or, "What did you want to know about our AI or affiliate program?" While they are on the phone, if they request more information, the AI will send an email instantly. If they ask about the affiliate program, the AI will send them an email and text message with all the details while they are still on the phone. Our technology has no limits, and this is only the beginning. Don't miss out. We are launching this in its early stages, and you'll be able to see what's possible for you. We know that everyone out there is offering AI, but most of them are just dabbling in it. We are serious about it. This is not new for us. We have been providing AI solutions for our clients for years. Take a look at how our travel clients are using this technology. They're offering special packages, but they are using the best AI automation available. And now you can be part of it. You can offer this AI service yourself. Even better, you can access it through our credit system. With credits, you can utilize AI technology in every aspect of growing your business. Don't miss out. Get started today. Reach out to the person who introduced you to this and get started with them. Take care.